In a world where extinction looms ever closer, some of the Earth's most incredible creatures are on the brink of vanishing forever. With populations in the thousands or even fewer, these animals need our help now more than ever. Here's a look at the 12 endangered species fighting for survival. Number 12. The Proboscis Monkey. Native to the rainforests of Borneo, there are only around 16,000 left in the wild. With its unique large nose and striking appearance, it is one of the most endangered primates in the world. Habitat loss, hunting, and human encroachment threaten their survival, making their future uncertain. Number 11. The Sumatran Orangutan. It is a native to the dense rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, and has fewer than 14,000 individuals left in the wild. It has an expressive face and intelligent eyes. Habitat destruction, illegal logging, and poaching continue to push these creatures towards extinction. Number 10. The Red Panda. It is native to the mountainous regions of the Himalayas and southwest China, with fewer than 10,000 individuals remaining in the wild. It has striking red fur, a bushy tail, and a sweet face. Deforestation, poaching, and the illegal pet trade continue to threaten their survival, leaving their future hanging in the balance. Number 9. The Hawksbill Sea Turtle. It is found in tropical coral reefs around the world, with fewer than 8,000 individuals left in the wild. It is recognizable by its pointed beak and beautiful shell. Illegal trade of their shells, habitat loss, and climate change are pushing them closer to extinction. Number 8. The Dhole. A highly social wild canid found in forests and grasslands across Asia, with fewer than 2,500 remaining in the wild. It is recognizable by its reddish coat, bushy tail, and distinctive high-pitched calls. Habitat destruction, human-wildlife conflict, and declining prey populations are driving them towards extinction. Number 7. Przewalski's horse. The last truly wild horse species native to the grasslands of Central Asia, with only around 2,000 alive today. These horses are recognizable by its stocky build, short mane, and dun-colored coat. Habitat loss, climate change, and past hunting have significantly contributed to its decline in the wild. Number 6. Mountain gorilla. A critically endangered great ape found in the forests of Central Africa, with only around 1,000 left in the wild. Recognizable by its thick fur, broad chest, and powerful build. Habitat destruction, poaching, and disease threaten its survival. Number 5. The wild Bactrian camel. Native to the deserts of China and Mongolia, fewer than 1,000 remain in the wild. Able to survive extreme temperatures and drink salt water, yet still under threat. Habitat loss, poaching, and competition with livestock threaten its survival. It's pushing it closer to extinction. Number 4. The key deer. Native to the Florida Keys, fewer than 1,000 remain in the wild. The smallest subspecies of white-tailed deer, yet highly endangered. Habitat loss, vehicle collisions, and rising sea levels threaten its survival. Conservation efforts offer hope, but its future remains fragile. Number 3. The Asiatic Lion. Native to the Gir forest of India, fewer than 700 remain in the wild. Smaller than its African cousin, with a distinctive fold of skin along its belly. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and disease threaten its survival. Conservation efforts have helped, but the species remain at risk. Number 2. The Gharial. Native to the rivers of India and Nepal, fewer than 1,000 remain in the wild. With its long, narrow snout, its distinct appearance makes it one of the most unique reptiles on the planet. The creature's numbers have plummeted due to habitat loss, pollution, and accidental entanglement in fishing nets. Number 1. The Amur Leopard. Native to the forests of the Russian Far East and Northeast China, fewer than 100 remain in the wild. With its thick coat and striking spots, it is one of the most elusive big cats. Habitat loss, poaching, and depletion of prey are major threats to its survival. Once spread across a vast area, it now clings to the remote corners of its range. If you're as passionate about the animal kingdom as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more of our nature videos. Until next time, happy exploring.